Dive into the uncharted territories of the ocean floor, where the darkest depths meet the brightest innovations. Let's explore the top 10 deepest oceanic fiber optic cables and the tech behind their maintenance. Number 10. Tijian Intra-Asia Cable. Stretching across Southeast Asia, Tijian Intra-Asia facilitates high-speed data transfer. Its maintenance requires state-of-the-art equipment and expertise. This cable system is a crucial component of regional connectivity. Number 9. Southern Cross Cable. Connecting Australia to the US, this cable supports high-speed data transmission. Its maintenance involves collaborative efforts from international teams. The Southern Cross Cable is a vital link between the Pacific regions. Number 8. Seabras 1 Cable. Linking the US to Brazil, Seabras 1 facilitates high-speed data transfer. Its maintenance requires cutting-edge technology and expertise. This cable system is a key player in international connectivity. Number 7. Hibernia Atlantic Cable. Stretching from Canada to the UK, this cable supports low-latency data transmission. Its maintenance involves meticulous planning and execution. The Hibernia Atlantic Cable is a vital component of international communication. Number 6. AC-1 Cable System. Connecting North America to Europe, AC-1 facilitates high-speed data transfer. Its maintenance requires advanced technology and strategic planning. This cable system is a crucial link between continents. Number 5. TET-14 Cable. Linking the US to Europe, TET-14 supports transatlantic data transmission. Its maintenance involves collaborative efforts from international teams. This cable system plays a key role in global communication networks. Number 4. Asia-America Gateway. This cable system connects Southeast Asia to the US, facilitating international communication. Its maintenance requires state-of-the-art equipment and expertise. The AAG is a vital component of global connectivity. Number 3. BRUSA Cable System. Stretching from the US to Brazil, BRUSA supports high-speed data transfer. Its maintenance involves precise navigation and cutting-edge technology. This cable system is a crucial link between the Americas. Number 2. Maria Cable. Connecting the US to Spain, this cable boasts speeds of up to 200 terabits per second. Regularly monitored by AI-powered sensors, it ensures seamless data transmission. Maria is a testament to human ingenuity. Number 1. Jupiter Cable System. Spanning over 14,000 kilometers, this cable system bridges the gap between Asia and the US. Its maintenance involves intricately navigating underwater robots. This marvel of engineering supports global communication. And there you have it, the top 10 deepest oceanic fiber optic cables, pushing the boundaries of human innovation and global connectivity. Join us next time as we explore more mind-blowing tech and engineering marvels.